Hello people, my name is Ferdy and in this video I will show you how you can install a plugin that will show you how fast each page of your website loads. Go to your WordPress website. I have Ferdy Korpershoek.com over here, and if I go to the back end, I can go to plugins, add new, and we're going to search for Query Monitor with a T. I wait a minute. And then over here, the Query Monitor, I click on install now. It's updated 5 days ago. And if you watch this tomorrow, probably 6 days ago. And then I click on activate. And when you activate it, you will see in your top bar over here how fast this page is. This page over here will load in 60 seconds, but how fast will my homepage load? So I click over here to go to the homepage, and ladies and gentlemen, it is loading in 0.57 seconds, which is quite nice. 32 kilobytes. I think this is amazing. And if you hover over here, you can see a few things. Duplicate queries. You can take a look at all this information. But for me, the most important thing is that I don't have to go to the same website speed test website again after I change something. So what I can do now, if I click on edit with Elementor, and I think, you know what, this background, let's have an overlay with an image. This one like that. And I want to have a blend mode. Oh, like that. Change the CSS filters, make it blurry a bit. How cool is that? Update. And now if I go to the home page, it's a little bit slower. So you see that images can make your website slower. But if I would add a lot of stuff over here, I can see that the page speed will decrease. So that's how you can work. And this is an amazing tool that will help you to optimize your website. If you want to know more about website optimization with speed and stuff, you can go to the link over here or go to the link in the description. So that's it. Really easy tutorial. I hope you have a great day and you will see me in the new video if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let's talk about that, because I make this tutorial for you. And if I could believe the psychology behind this, if I give something for free to you, you are somehow, without knowing it, in your subconsciousness, thinking, hey, I want to do something back. So I'm in a good spot over here. So if I ask you to subscribe, that can be for you the way to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you're already thinking, hey, he did something for me. What can I do back? If you're already subscribed, then you can unsubscribe and resubscribe and then have that feeling again. No, please don't do that. Okay, that's it. Bye-bye.